That was good?
Yeah, I had good.
It was a beautiful day. It was sunny, a little hazy, but the opportunity to get some husband and wife time was amazing. We couldn't think of a better way to spend time together. This is one memory we won't forget.
Are you filming me? Get that thing out of my face.
3 days later, we came back with the kids.
Go in a tunnel. Are we in a tunnel? A tunnel.
Tunnel, buddy.
Okay, let's look.
Tunnel again. Do you see all the trees? Whoa. Hi. Whoa. Whoa, you're so fast, buddy. You're a good hiker. High five. Woohoo. Well, hey, first hike of the kids. Yosemite. So Brittany and I came to Yosemite on Wednesday, and we're coming back today. It's Saturday, so it's the first hike we're doing so far today. And Quaid bug. He's like, nope, I'm good. Our first stop with the kids was Swinging Bridge. Quaid and Graham loved the opportunity to get their feet wet and play in the water. They could have stayed there all day if we let them. How you guys doing? You doing good in the water? Yeah, are you throwing rocks? Whoa. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! You were all wet, buddy. Say hi to the duck. And then the wind picked up. The day was going to change very quickly. Good job, Grandpa. The kids just played a bunch in the river. It's getting super hazy over there. Crazy. See the big mountains? Where are the big mountains? Do you see a big tree? The sun? Where's the sun? Where is it? Right there? Wow. Yeah, that's bad. It's pretty crazy how the color of the sky is, isn't it, honey? What'd you say? I know.
It's like kind of pretty, but because you know what it is, you're like, no, that's terrible.
Yep, it's kind of like scaring away. I know, coming through. It's crazy. So we're driving up to Glacier Point, and it is pretty crazy looking outside. It's
So smoky.
smoky, it's red,
Ashy.
ashy. So a little bit intimidating, but it's also pretty gorgeous in its own way as well. So the kids are sleeping peacefully.
And we saw a bear.
And pretty solid beer.
Bear.
I haven't seen her that excited since I don't know when. Look at this.
You haven't seen me that excited since the last time I saw a bear.
Yep, that's true. How's your guys' salad? Is that a good salad? Over here on Glacier Point, it's 2:30 p.m. but it feels like it's like 6
3:30.
p.m. or it's 3:30 p.m. but it feels like
shut up.
6:30 p.m. It's so dark.
It's so like mists of darknessy.
Yeah. And
This
it's
is what it's gonna look like, I swear. There's chunks of ash. You have to look at Graham's shirt, it's the worst. There's just chunks of ash flying everywhere.
Quaid, you come join us? Quaid, look at you go.